have a boyfriend. Oh shit.
Where is Zah? Oh, there he is.
You too. It's your boy Zah, back with another vid. To be honest, I woke up in a very playful mood on some like, I want to troll people, you know what I'm saying? So I'm supposed to be looking up with the bros. We're supposed to be going to the mall. What should I do? Oh! Do some little, I could do a little content for y'all. Basically, what I'm thinking about doing is going to the mall and like actually try to get some phone numbers, but I'm gonna do it like without saying a single word. Like you're not gonna like, you're not gonna hear me say a single word, bro. I'm gonna just show you how easy this shit is. Like I'm gonna show you how easy this shit is, bro. You could literally get a girl phone number without even saying a single word, but I kid you not, bro. Just gotta have that confidence, bro. And I'm finna show y'all. Don't get used to this type of content though. I'm not gonna lie. Like don't get used to this type of content, because I'm not gonna be one of those YouTubers that's just gonna fucking do fucking Riz and public interview, kiss or smack. No, I'm not that type of YouTuber. Don't get used to it. I'm just bored and I just feel like, you know, doing fuck shit today. All right, thank you. Everyone?
No, we'll go out with you, so all three of us can go out. Okay, I will. Thank you.
I have a boyfriend. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Why is it?
Right, do not record me.
Appreciate it.
Huh? What? Yeah, sure. Sarah, pull my number up. Sai, pull my number up. I don't know it out of my head. Oh.
I appreciate it.
Have a good day. Nah, bro. What the fuck?
Nah, that's perfect.
Wait. Now talk. What's your name and occupation?
I'm Lynn, and what do you mean occupation? Like, why I'm here?
Your fucking job. Occupation. You know what occupation means?
I do, but my job is, my occupation is to stay here and look pretty.
Say I look pretty?
Yeah. I don't really know. Stop!
Be nice.
They don't like how I be spitting on the mic. If gang say he moving wrong, no questions asked, we take his life. Damn.
Ese niño viene por pasión. ¡Ey! ¡Ey! Un nudo que te amarra.
I ain't gonna lie.
That joker is crazy inside.
Yo,
He likes the
my boys. Look, safety, you heard? We about to shoot out. We about to...
Brody want that side, I told Sass he gotta pay. I was serving chocolate hard, made 100 in a day. Post up on that boulevard, run and take it to your grave. Know some niggas never coming home, know they feel ashamed. I pull